Hey everybody, welcome to Paul's Workshop. Today it is a snow day, and this is going to be a follow-up with our Mary statue that we restored a couple years ago, and we're going to build a snowman, so this will be fun.
Mary, still holding up.
Yeah, we did this a few years back. Paul's much bigger now, but just get a close-up. The face, the paint, everything is still holding up well. It needs a cleaning, a little bit of a wash down, but
So now we're gonna build a snowman.
yeah, this is excellent snowman building snow. Show the folks at home. Ow! You're gonna pay for that.
We got these snowman kits that we haven't had a chance to use, so
Yeah.
we're just gonna put them in the snowman.
Yeah.
All right, we'll put them together, and then you guys will see the finished product.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's Eva assembling her snowman's face. This kit comes with eyes, some fake coal for the mouth. And over here is Paul's side.
It's like
Paul's is almost finished. Let's put the mouth together. We're going to do the unveiling all done, but it's fun to watch it under construction. What's that? Is that his, those are his,
wait, I think these are the eyes.
that's his, the bigger ones are buttons.
The bigger ones are buttons.
I think they're buttons for the front, yeah.
Oh, you're right. So these are the mouth then. It goes like bop ish.
Let's take a look. There's Paul's.
We got these Max Fun snowman snowball makers, and we're just gonna.
Gonna start making some snowballs?
Yep. So we make snowballs pretty quickly, quicker than a person can make them, and if you got like the right amount, you can make like a perfect snowball.
Well, no, it wasn't in the camera, but. Okay. Heads up. Oh, sorry.
What?
I cracked him right in the head. Sorry, Junior.
Fine.
Oh, payback.
I can't throw.
Come closer so you get hit with snowballs on camera.
That was the worst throw I've ever. Like.
Fuck.
Okay. Hey! Hey! Sorry, are you okay?
Oh, nice. Ready for another one?
Yeah.
Oh, you're bunting now?
Yeah, kinda.
Why?
No, swing it like a baseball bat. There you go. Nice. Here we go. Here comes another one. Another one. Ah.
You swing like a girl.
I'm not a baseball
Here, a
player.
softball.
I don't play baseball.
You gotta throw her softballs.
Nice.